Hey bro, what you doing?
Hey bro, what are you doing?
Let's close him inside.
It's too much wrapping materials in this.
Hi everyone, hello and welcome back to our newest video. It's me Virus, and behind me we have our newest project. This huge Toyota landcruiser soon will be wrapped. This time we will install paint protection film on entire body and we will use matte PPF made by Suntech, which have 10 years warranty, Suntech Ultra. Customer would like to take this car for off-road and not worry about some small damages, scratches when he's running through the bushes. And PPF is the best thing for that. Car is already washed and clay barred. Now all what I need to do is just remove a few parts because I'm installing matte PPF over the gloss paint and I would like to cover as much as I can. On this specific car I will remove door handles, mirrors, taillights, this chrome badge. It will come off and yeah, that's it. Let's start. I would like to show you how to remove this mirror and handle on this Toyota. It's not really difficult. All what you need to do, remove door card. Normally door cards have 2 or 3 screws behind the plastics. This specific one have 3 of them. One was there, and one more is there. And then just need to pop it. When screws are off, all what we need to do, just pop the clips like that, and then lift it up. Unplug cables, all that stuff. And then we have more bolts just there. To remove handle, we need to lift the window up. We'll find a plug just behind this plastic and one bolt straight there. When we will unplug it and remove this bolt, handle will be off. Okay, now is the time for handle. We need to unplug this plug and one more step before we will be able to take this handle off. We have a bolt just there. This one slides off. Then. It's not that difficult at all. And now is the time to remove handle from the rear doors. Same on this side. We have a bolt behind this plastic and one more here and here. You will need a screwdriver. I just unplugged this bottom bit. Wasn't difficult at all. Now the tricky part. We need to very careful remove this one. We have a plug straight there. I need to unplug it. Plug is off. We have a ball behind this mechanism. I will need to remove these 3 bolts and then I will be able to reach it. We have a bolt straight there. Let's put this door mechanism back, because if I'm not gonna put it back, I'm not gonna be able to close the doors. And now is the time to remove the handle. I hope this will help you in the future. Let's remove this taillight. It's super easy. Let's open this. We have plastic, just straight here. And then 2 bolts. I will grab a different tool. This one works way better. There's 2 balls and clips, that's it. And this is how you can remove taillight. It took me maybe like 1 minute. One more time. Plastic off. Just like that. Two bolts off. And now we have 2 clips on this side. It slides like that. Unplug this plug. And we're done. Car is ready. Let's lay some film. I will start with front guard. This is paint protection. First panel installed. I will leave it to dry and I will trim it a bit later. Now we will do another side. Let's walk around the car and have a look what's already done and what still needs to be done. This side is completely finished. From bumper, as you see, is missing some parts. Grille will be sprayed in satin black. This why is no grille, no headlights. On this side I'm still working. And I need to wrap mirror. I will do face on the handle and this handle. Side skirt is in the process. And last bit, I need to trim here. And that's it, guys. This Toyota will be finished very, very soon. As you see, guys, the car is finished. That's how easily we can change the car look from gloss to satin and in meantime give it an extra protection. Now customer will be more confident taking it for off-road and highway runs because car is protected from stone chips and scratches. This is it for today. Thank you for watching. It's me, Rough Virus, and I will see you in next video.